draw, yeah. Let's hit the road, yeah. Let's hit the road, yeah. I'm hella geek, man. This on me and she hella freak. Diamonds on my ring and them bitches looking hella sweet. Broke up with your man, cause that boy acting hella cheap. Now I'm finna dive in that thing and it's hella deep.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Drizzy Dre, and today I'm gonna show you how I do a self cut. And the guards I'm gonna be using today is a 3-guard all around. But I'm gonna start with the 4-guard first, so I can get the feel of it, because this is my second time ever doing a self cut, and I was pretty scared because this is my first time recording it though. So I'm just going with the 4-guard all around first to make sure I feel comfortable to use a 3-guard next. And the reason why I'm using a 3-guard, so I can keep my hair still thick enough so I can correct and fix mistakes in my wave pattern while it still gives that amazing definition. Because if I cut my hair lower than like a 2.5, it will eliminate definition from all the hard work I was doing, and I don't want that to happen. Now I'm gonna start to trim the front a little bit because I have a cowlick in the middle of my head, and if you like dig in with the clippers too deep, it's gonna eliminate the definition and leave a patch in the middle. So I'm just going a little bit lightly right now. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the 3-guard so it can look more even. Now I'm gonna start going with a 3-guard now. And you seeing that the waves are starting to look a lot better now. And I'm cutting my waves with the grain, which is basically the direction on how I brush my hair. But sometimes you could cut it against the grain if you want an all even cut. So I'm gonna make a video about that one day. Now I just got shook right now because the clippers was making a weird noise and I was afraid that the guard was gonna fall off. But that actually happened to me before and it was off camera, and I'm not trying to have it happen again on camera because that'll be the biggest L it took. same noise just happened again. And the reason why I kept the front higher, because if I dig in with the clippers, it's just gonna cut away the wave and definition. So I decided to keep it higher while I brush it down and lay it down. Now I'm gonna brush in my 360 Wave Magic butter to give it a little shine. Now I'm gonna rag up to lay it down, and then I'm gonna show you the results. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. YouTube, this is the results of this cut. So if you like the results, make sure y'all leave a comment right down below. So don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to your boy Drizzy Dre. So I'm out of here.